Hello guys, so please welcome back to my channel Jelly Drawer. So in this video I'm going to draw a car with two number. So this two number is number 6 two times. So let's start. So I'm going to draw here. Okay, so number 6 like this. Okay, two numbers 6. So if we reflection, it should be like that. Okay, if we are reflecting, oh, this could be number 9 like this. Okay, so we got it as two number of number 6 here. Okay, so continue. So the other thing that we need to do is we need to draw from here, from the side like this. So we start from here, the roof of the car. Okay, and go and down. Okay, and a little curve down. Okay, then how about this number 6? So we can start from here. I mean, we go up, we need to go up, move to the right. Okay, and then go down. Okay, so we need to move like this to connect. Okay, so we are drawing faster. Okay, a bit faster, and connect like this. This the line. Okay, and we can put something shoot eye of the car as well. Okay, little curve here, and we need to draw the door of car holder like this. Okay, and a little curve down here. Okay. And the other thing that we need to do is start to draw with the car wheel. Okay, so the car wheel could be around here. Okay, so the circle, it could be oval, yeah, oval like this, and one the oval in the center of the wheel, and the back of the wheel should start like this. Okay, and the center, but it must be smaller than the front wheel. Okay, so it should put it black wheel like this. And I must to connect this. Okay, and this also need to connect this. Okay, so everything at the back is almost done, but the front is like empty, ready. So start with the front of the car. So start like this. Okay, and move along of the curve here, continue, then move up. Okay, and connect with the line of the car, front car like this, and a long curve again, move to the right. and connect here. So something it should be here. Yeah. And we also can put a kind of cartoon mouse of the car. So let me draw like his mouse with just something, put something funny. Okay. 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 And then something strong here, the machine. I don't know which model of that. Okay. So we can put the eyes of the car. So must be cute eye. So a big one inside, a smaller inside. Like this. Okay, and then painting black. Okay. It should be black. Other size the same. So the big one, the smaller one. That is we call cute eye drawing. So if you drawing, so you can practice to turn everything like funny, cute. Okay, and don't forget to draw the wheel. Okay, so one more wheel is this. Okay. Put the black. Okay. Okay, so it is fine, and the mirror here. Mirror. So it is done. So this. Okay guys, so finally we can turn this number into a cartoon car very easy. So you all guys, so please start to practice to drawing all together through my video. So finally, thank you for your watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share with your friend. Okay, thank you and goodbye.